Okay, hey kids, welcome to another class. Today we are doing our Reading Future 2 books and we are doing the workbook. And today is our final class for this book. Okay, so we are doing Unit 13 to Unit 16. So let's get started. Hi, can you put up Unit 13, please? Okay, so Unit 13 was 3D printing, right? It's a new way in which we can make food, okay? And it's very, very easy, and a machine does all the work. So let's read the story. 3D food printing is a new way to make food. It is fast and easy. Cooking can take a lot of time and effort. 3D food printers can fix that problem. First, you put ingredients into the printer. Next, you push a button. Then, the 3D printer prints out shapes of food that you can eat. You can already find 3D food printers in some bakeries and restaurants. People use them to make nice designs for candy, pancakes, and chocolate. There is a 3D printer that uses fresh ingredients. It can make more difficult foods like pizza, pasta, and brownies. This new and interesting way of making food can help people save time and effort. Okay, so the very easy way of cooking today, where we can use these 3D printers to make food that we can eat. Now let's move to our workbook and answer the questions in our workbook. I hope that everybody has done this already, because I'm going to go through each question and each answer with you now. Okay, so the first one, let's look at the vocabulary. So we have push, shape, design, ingredient, printer, and effort. The first one goes across, and that's number 1. So to press something to make a machine start working. So this means to push. So you push a button. Number 4, going across. Hard work to do something. So this is effort. 5, one of the things that are used to cook food. So this would be ingredient. One ingredient. Okay, now we're going down. A machine that is connected to a computer and makes a copy of something. So this would be a printer. 2, going down. A form that has height, width, and or length. So height, width, and also length. Okay, or length. So this would be a shape. And the last one is a plan for how something will look like, excuse me. So this would be a design. Okay, so I hope everybody has completed this over here. I'm sure you haven't made any mistakes. So let's move on to the next one. Okay. Next, we have to circle true or false. So let's have a look. Number 1, 3D food printers are not used in restaurants yet. I say that this is false. Let's have a look. So we can see over here it says you can already find 3D food printers in some bakeries and restaurants. Next question, please. 2. 3D food printing is a fast way to make food. I said that this is true. Let's see. Alright, so they say it's fast and easy. So it says 3D food printing is a new way to make food. It is fast and easy. Number 3, there is a 3D food printer that can make brownies. That is true. Let's have a look at the sentence. So, people use them to make nice designs for candy, pancakes, and chocolate. It can make more difficult foods like pizza, pasta, and brownies. Last one. 3D printers or 3D food printers can only make simple foods. I said that this is false. Alright, I think it's the same sentence. So it can make more difficult foods. Alright, so not just the simple ones, the more difficult ones too. Okay. Next. 3D printers, let's choose, we need to only choose 3 words. So 3D printers require less time and effort for cooking than traditional cooking. Number 2, some restaurants use 3D printers to make nice designs. Number 3, you can start to print food by putting something into the printer. So of course, putting ingredients into the printer. Please make sure your answers are correct. Moving on. Alright, number 1. So choose the best answer to complete the sentences. 3D something printing is a fast and easy way to make food. So 3D food printing. Cooking can take a lot of time and effort. 3D food can fix. So 3D food printers can fix that problem. First, you put the into the printer. So you put the ingredients into the printer. Then you a button and the printer prints out. So then you push a button and the printer prints out shapes of food that you can eat. People also use 3D printers to make nice designs for candy, pancakes, and chocolate. There's also a 3D printer that uses ingredients to make foods like pizza, pasta, and brownies. So they use fresh ingredients to make pizza, pasta, and brownies. Please remember, if you've made any mistakes, fix your work, and then we will move to Unit 14. Alright, Unit 14, boys and girls. This is about microwave popcorn. So let's look at the easy way in which we can make popcorn at home. Alright, here is what you need to make microwave popcorn by yourself. You need a paper bag. It does not need to be a special bag. A plain brown paper bag is fine. Then you need popcorn kernels. Popcorn kernels are pieces of dried corn. put the kernels in the bag with a little oil and salt. Fold the top of the bag a few times. Then put the bag in the microwave for 2 minutes. You will hear the kernels start to pop. When the popping sounds stop, the popcorn is ready. The next time you want to eat popcorn at home, try this. It is easy and you can save money this way. Okay, so I'm sure you guys still remember the easy way for us to make microwave popcorn. Let's move on and we're going to answer the workbook questions now. Okay, first it's the crossword. Okay, so over here, all you need to do is to choose the best word for each sentence and then write it down. Words we can use are microwave, by yourself, plain, oil, fold, and sound. Let's go with the first one. Number 3, a cross, a liquid that comes from a plant or animal that is used for cooking. So this would be oil. 4, a cross, a noise, something you can hear. This is a sound. Number 5, not having anything added or extra. So it's just plain. Okay? And number 6, without other people, you are alone. So this is 2 words, but they put it in one block, okay? So this is by yourself, okay? And then we're going to do the ones that go down. 1, a type of oven that heats food quickly. So this one is the microwave. Okay, and the last one, to bend one part of something over another part, it means to fold. Okay, I'm sure this kind of, I think you guys don't really make any mistakes over here, so make sure your spelling is correct, okay? Let's move on to the true or false questions. Okay, so circle true or false. So number 1, it is easy to make popcorn. Alright, so yeah, it is. It's easy to make popcorn. I said that is true. Let's see. Right, so it says the next time you want to eat popcorn at home, try this. It is easy and you can save money. So yes, it is easy. 2, microwave popcorn is made with special corn. I see that this one is false. Why is it false? Let's have a look. It says all you need, then you need popcorn kernels. Popcorn kernels are pieces of dried popcorn, so it's very, very normal. It's just the normal popcorn the normal corn that is dried, okay? It's not special corn. Number 3, leave the top of the bag open to make microwave popcorn. False. Let's see what they say. Okay, so it says fold the top of the bag a few times, then put the bag in the microwave. Okay, so so if you leave it open, what will happen is that the corn will pop and then it will come out of the bag. Okay, and then it'll be all over your microwave. So important to fold it properly. Number 4, excuse me. Microwave popcorn needs to cook for 2 minutes or less. I said false over here. So how long do we cook it for? Then put the bag in the microwave for 2 minutes. So it does not say 2 minutes or less, okay? So it means at least for 2 minutes or a little bit more until the popping sounds stop, okay? All right, last one, almost at the end. Let's have a look. Only choose 3 words, yeah? Let's see. Number 1. The reading tells you how you can make microwave popcorn by yourself. Number 2. You will hear a popping sound inside the microwave. Popping sound. Number 3. Put the kernels in the bag with a little oil. Okay? Check your spelling. And finally, the end of this unit. Let's choose the best words to fill in the sentences, okay? Number 1. To make microwave popcorn by yourself, you need to do a few things. You need a paper bag, but it doesn't have to be a special bag. So it does not need to be a special bag. A plain brown paper bag is fine to use. You also need popcorn kernels. Put the kernels in the bag with a little oil and salt. The top of, so what do we need to do? You need to fold. And remember, big F for the first word in a new sentence. Fold the top of the bag and put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. The kernels will start to pop. When the popping sounds stop, the popcorn is ready to eat. Okay, let's go ahead, boys and girls. We're going to move on to we'll move on to the next unit, okay? So, Unit 15, how a factory makes food. So, in this lesson, I remember it was about making potato chips in the factory using the potatoes from the farm, right? So, let's read it again, and then we will check and go through all of the answers. So, how a factory makes food. People all over the world love potato chips. Let's learn about how a plain potato turns into delicious crunchy chips. After farmers harvest potatoes, they ship the best ones to a factory. Here are the steps that take place in the factory. So, all of this over here, this will take place in the factory. The first thing is preparation. Step 1. Machines peel the skins off the potatoes. Step 2. Blades cut the potatoes into very thin slices. Step 3. Machines wash and dry the chips. Okay? Now we're going to do the cooking part. Step 4. Robots put the chips in 350-degree oil and cook them for 4 minutes. Step 5. The chips go to a different machine in the factory. It adds salt. The last one is the packaging, okay? And step 6, machines put the potato chips in bags. So, important for you to remember, all of the steps take place in the factory, okay? And the harvesting happens on the farm. Alright guys, I hope you guys still remember this lesson, and I hope that you have finished your workbook for Unit 15, because I'm going to go ahead and we're going to answer the questions. You're going to check the answers now. Okay, so the same as the previous 2 units, it's a crossword where you choose the best word. Words to choose from are harvest, ship, peel, blade, slice, and degree. So let's have a look at the first few. A cross, number 1, a flat sharp tool used to cut. So this is a blade. Number 3, going across, to collect food from the place where it grows. So the farmers do this, they harvest. Number 5, going across, a thin piece of food is a slice. Okay? And number 6 over here, to take the skin off a vegetable or a fruit, it means to peel it. Now the last 2 that goes down. Number 2, a unit for measuring temperature. So it's the degree of something. And finally, to send something by boat, plane, or truck. It means to ship it. Alright. Okay, I have full confidence that you guys have not made any mistakes over here. But please remember to check your spelling, okay? Okay. True or false? So, number 1. The farmer harvests and peels the potatoes. Is that true or false? I said that is false. Can we please go back to the unit? Alright, so it says yes, farmers harvest, but they don't harvest and peel. Machines peel the skins. So the farmers only harvest. They don't peel it. Okay? So that one is false. Number 2. Blades cut the potatoes into thin chip shapes. Said this one is also false. Alright, so blades cut the potatoes into very thin slices. Okay, they don't make the chip. Excuse me, they don't make the chip shape yet. Next one, please. Alright, number 3. Robots cook the chips for 10 minutes. This one is false. Okay, so let's see what they say about the robots. So, robots put the chips in 350-degree oil and cook them for 4 minutes. Okay, not 10 minutes. Not 10 minutes. Good. And the last one, number 4. Potatoes turn into chips in the factory. So this one is true. Let's see what they say. So the chips, so they cut the potatoes into slices and then they wash and dry the chips and put it into the oil and cook for 4 minutes, and then they go to another machine that adds salt, and finally the machines put the potato chips into the bags. So they turn the all of this happens in the factory. Okay, so they turn the potatoes into chips while it's in the factory. Okay. Okay, boys and girls, last two for this unit. Alright, choose the best word. So, number 1. People all over the world love potato chips. Number 2. Machines something the skins off the potatoes. So, machines, they peel the skins off the potatoes. Okay, number 3, cut the potatoes into very thin slices. So what cuts it? It is the blade. The blades cut them. So capital B. So blades cut the potatoes into very thin slices. Okay, guys, good? Okay, guys, last 8 answers. Choose the best word, of course. So, people love potato chips, but not a lot of people know how they are made. After farmers harvest So after farmers harvest potatoes, they the best ones to a factory. So they ship it. They ship the best ones to a factory. First, the machines the skins off the potato. So they peel the skins off the potatoes. Then something cut the potatoes into then blades cut the potatoes into thin slices. Machines then wash and dry the chips. Robots put the chips in 350 degree oil and cook them. Another machine adds to the chips. Adds salt to the chips before they are put in bags. Okie dokie. So finally we finished Unit 15. Again, guys, important to remember the spelling, okay? And when you need to write a capital letter, please make sure that you do so. Okay? So now the next thing that we'll do is our last unit, which is Unit 16.